Hello, friends, and welcome to my channel. In this story, I want to talk to you about something that many people ask about: how to talk in English. Many people believe that learning to speak English is hard. But is it really that difficult? Some people think they don't have the talent to speak English. They may feel scared or unsure of where to start. Have you ever felt this way? I used to feel the same. But let me share a few tips with you. When I first tried to learn English, I thought it was impossible. I felt that speaking English was too difficult. But I kept going, and little by little, it got easier. Now, I want to show you how anyone can do it. What if I told you that you don't need to be perfect to learn English? You just need to practice a little every day. Small steps can lead to big changes. Let's begin with a positive attitude. Start by learning a few simple words. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just try. Many people feel afraid of making errors, but remember that everyone makes mistakes. It's a normal part of learning. Speaking English is like learning to ride a bike. When you first start, you might fall. But with practice, you get better. Don't be afraid to try. Just keep going, and you will improve. One tip to help you talk in English is to think in English. For example, when you wake up, think, "I am getting up now." Try to think in English as you go about your day. This can really help. Another way to practice is by talking to yourself in English. Say simple things like, "I am eating breakfast" or "I am going to work." This may feel strange at first, but it gets easier. Many people say they want to speak English but don't have time to practice. You can start with just 5 minutes each day. Even a little practice can make a big difference over time. Think about why you want to learn English. Maybe it's for a job or to talk to new friends. Keep this reason in your mind. It will keep you motivated, even when it feels difficult. When I started learning English, I found it hard to understand words. I tried reading, but it was tough. I listened to people speak, but I couldn't follow. It was frustrating, but I didn't give up. I started small and practiced a little each day. Slowly, things became clearer. My journey was not perfect, and I made mistakes. But I learned from each one. And you can too. One of the best things I did was talk to myself in English. I would describe what I was doing, like "I am walking" or "I am cooking." This made English feel like a part of my daily life. If you feel nervous about speaking English, remember that it's okay to make mistakes. People won't laugh at you, they will understand and appreciate your effort. Think of learning English like a baby learning to walk. Babies fall many times, but they always get back up. They keep trying until they can walk. You can do the same with English. You don't need to learn everything at once. Just focus on a few new words each day. Even if you only learn 1 or 2 words, that's progress. Over time, it adds up. If you have friends who also want to learn English, practice together. It can be fun, and you'll help each other improve. Speaking with others makes it easier and more enjoyable. Sometimes, You may feel like you are not learning fast enough. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. The important thing is to keep going. Learning English opens new doors. It helps you connect with more people, explore other cultures, and find better job opportunities. It's a valuable skill that can benefit you in many ways. Try writing in English too. Write about your day, even if it's just a few sentences. This will help you remember words and improve your grammar. You can write in a diary or even a simple note. When you write, you get to practice forming sentences. Writing is also a great way to see your progress. As you write more, you will notice that your English gets better over time. Another tip is to watch videos in English. Start with videos that have subtitles. This can help you understand words and phrases. Over time, try watching without subtitles for more practice. If you find a word you don't understand, look it up. Write it down and try using it in a sentence. This will help you remember it better. Building your vocabulary is key to improving your English. Listening to English music or podcasts can also help. Even if you don't understand everything, you will get used to the sounds of English. Over time, you'll start understanding more. Remember, learning English is not a race. It's okay if it takes time. What matters is that you are making progress, little by little. Celebrate every small success along the way. Set small goals for yourself. For example, try learning 5 new words a week. Or practice speaking for 10 minutes a day. These small goals can help keep you focused and motivated. Talking to native English speakers, if you have the chance, is great practice. Don't be shy. Most people are happy to help and will appreciate your effort to speak their language. Imagine yourself speaking English confidently. Visualizing your success can help keep you motivated. Believe in yourself, and remember that learning a language takes time. If you're feeling stuck, take a break and come back later. Learning a new language can be tiring. Sometimes, a little rest can help you come back with a fresh mind. It's important to enjoy the process. Find things you love in English, like a movie, a song, or a book. When you enjoy what you're doing, learning becomes much easier. Try to surround yourself with English. Change the language on your phone or watch TV shows in English. This will help you think in English and make it feel like a natural part of your life. When you start to understand more and more, you'll feel proud. Remember that every small step brings you closer to your goal. Be patient with yourself and keep going. Finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each mistake teaches you something new. With each error, you get closer to speaking English fluently. So don't give up, you can do it.